Senior journalists of the Indian media and professionals speaking to NNI said the meeting that they had with the Prime Minister was worth it. They said this was a good initiative where ideas were exchanged on as to how the media could play a greater role in the nation's growth.
I think it was very good, and it was a first informal meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi after he has won elections. I think he spoke very well and told people importance of media, and he was very critical about things that how media brings issues, and he really said ki how things can be made better through media.
I think it's a brilliant move, and I think it was a needed move also. I am covering BJP for the last 30 years, and Naren Bhai also used to stay here, just backside of BJP party office. There was a, Govindji was used to stay here. He also used to stay here. And those days, I recall, I used to meet him like any other fellow journalist, and we used to, we had lunches several times, several occasions. We used to go to the restaurants also for dinner. So he was reachable, always he was a good communicator. So today he is trying to neutralize the antagonism. He is giving the message that look, I am Narendra Modi, I am a modern person, I am a liberal person, I am a communicator. I want to reach to the media. And media is a section of civil society. He met doctors few days back. Today he is going to Bombay and he will meet the Mukesh Ambani and a lot of captains of Indian industry. So media is also part of the Indian society, and he is trying to neutralize the media.
Well, I think this is a very good attempt, I would say, because Prime Minister has been facing this problem, of his image, that he is far away from the media. He doesn't like media people, and he does not trust journalists enough, and that whichever way it is just a one-way traffic. Whenever he wishes to say something, then the message is carried. I think today he has sought to correct that impression. In fact, in his very introductory remarks, he tried to convey that his desire and earnestness to reach out to individual journalists and also to the media as a whole. In the sense, he promised to find time within his very tight schedule. So somehow, where he can have informal discussions, he can have one-to-one discussions, and I'm sure in the days to come, he will also think of having formal press conferences.
देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री जी कार्यकर्ता रहे हैं और संगठन का जिस तरह से उन्होंने काम किया है, वो संगठन के कार्यकर्ता हैं, और उन्होंने कहा था पहले दिन जब वो केंद्रीय कार्यालय आए थे कि संगठन कार्यकर्ता से ही प्रधानमंत्री बनता है। तो आज उन्होंने अपने पुराने दिनों को याद किया, इसी ऑफिस में मिलते थे लोगों से।
Powered by NNIS.